Hi, my name is John Kelly. I'm a personal injury attorney that handles birth injuries throughout the nation. And we're doing a series on birth injuries. And this is the final video of the series on medical negligence. And this one is neonatal meningitis injuries at birth. Neonatal meningitis in a newborn, is a life-threatening infection that often results from bacteria passed during childbirth. It can cause brain damage, hearing loss, seizures, or even death if not caught and treated promptly. So now we'll talk about the common legal claims and precedents in meningitis birth injury cases. Medical malpractice lawsuits seek to hold healthcare providers accountable when negligence during childbirth leads to newborn injuries. Medical malpractice is the legal claim most often brought in birth-related meningitis cases, typically based on negligence. Parents allege that the doctors or nurses breached the standard of care. In other words, acted or failed to act in a way that a competent provider would not have, thereby harming the baby. Now I'm going to go over some of the common claims: failure to diagnose, failure to treat, improper monitoring, and hospital negligence in infection control. To succeed, the family or the plaintiff must generally prove that the medical team's negligence more likely than not caused the child's injuries. This often requires expert medical testimony to show what the provider should have done and how the outcome would have been better if proper care was given. For instance, an infectious disease expert might testify that any reasonable, careful doctor would have done a spinal tap and started antibiotics given the baby's symptoms, and that the failure to do so led to severe brain damage. Over the years, legal precedents have held doctors and hospitals accountable for neonatal meningitis errors. Juries and courts have awarded significant compensation in these cases, recognizing the lifelong impact on the child and family. Some notable outcomes include a hospital liability for misdiagnosis. And this happened in Wisconsin, where a jury found a hospital 100% negligent for sending a sick newborn home without testing, which led to a catastrophic meningitis brain infection. The infant suffered permanent disabilities, almost complete deafness, blindness, and because of the misdiagnosis, the jury awarded the family $19 million in damages for the child's past and future medical needs and lost quality of life. Notably, the pediatrician in the case was also sued, but the hospital was held fully responsible for the lapse in care. If you'd like to talk more about this, please give me a call at Kelly Law Team. You can reach me at 602-283-4122.